This is Patrick McCormick with McCormick Systems, and today we're going to go over how to navigate and customize the Takeoff menu. When you first get McCormick, it comes preloaded with thousands of items and assemblies for you. The only thing you need to do is find them. Using the menu makes that very easy to do. By simply working left to right through the columns, it will take you directly to the part that you're looking for, just like the switch that we just tracked down. You can also customize the menu, and to do that, all you do is go to the bottom right, simply hit setup, and that will allow you to reorganize what is in the columns to apply what you use most commonly or the type of work you do to the top. Once you're done with that, all you simply do is hit the exit setup, and from that point forward, your menu is customized. Thank you for reviewing today. If you want to see more of McCormick Systems, you can either call the number on the screen or simply click the link to schedule a full demonstration.